All right. So today, 14, at the 12 months of 2023, we're going to continue again looking at using the completing square method to solve a quadratic equation. So here we have got this question over here. They're saying using completing square method, show that x is equal to 9 over 10 plus or minus the square root of 161 over 10, which is just can be simplified as 9 plus or minus the square root of 161 over 10. Now, given that the equation is this. So first thing first, you have to express this one into the general form or rather the standard form, which is this over here. So we're going to do that. You see that the terms in x, they are dividing. So I'm going to multiply throughout by this equation here with x squared, and this is what I've done. So multiplying throughout by x squared, 5 times x squared, I'll have 5x squared, and then 9 over x plus 4 over x squared in the brackets times x squared. Then you see that 9 over x times x squared will be just 9x, 4 over x squared times x squared to be just 4, and then I'm going to take this term the other side. This one can even remain this side, it's fine, it's okay. As you can notice that completing square method requires the constant value to be taken the other side. The c should be taken the other side. So and then from here, we say that the term where x is to the power 2 must be, you have to make the coefficient to be 1. So you divide throughout by a. That's what I said in my first tutorial. If you have not watched it, please watch it so that you understand fully. Then I'm going to divide throughout by 5. So 5 into 5, that is x squared. 5 into negative 9, which is that's negative 9 over 5, and then 4 over 5. Then now from here, I said that you need to find the half of the coefficient in x, okay, the half of coefficient in x, and then you basically square that value, and then you add and subtract at the same time by its square. And this is what I've done. What is the half of negative 9 over 5? It's just negative 9 over 10, and then that same value I've squared and then I've subtracted. This is what I've done here because I don't want to make any changes. I mean, you see, when we say this squared minus this squared, it will be just basically this. So there's nothing new here. Now, from here, now you notice that this is a quadratic equation which we can basically factorize. So if you have not watched my tutorial concerning factorizing quadratic expression, please you do that so that this becomes simple for you. So now I'm going to factorize this, and this is what I've just basically done here. So you notice that we need to have the sum and the product. By doing that, our sum is going to be negative 9 over 5, and then the product to be 9 over 10 squared, with which the factor is just going to be negative 9 over 10. It will be just negative 9 over 10, negative 9 over 10. Those are the factors. Now, upon, dismantling this term using the two factors, negative 9 over 10, then we'll have this. Then we'll have about 4 terms, which we can now basically factorize. So I'll factorize by grouping. I factorize this, I'll get this, factorize this, and then I'm going to have this. You notice that what is on the inside is just basically the same, so we can proceed. So have x minus 9 over 10, and then you write one of them, of which this times this will be just x minus 9 over 10 squared. So this is why I wrote this here, x minus 9 over 10 squared, which will be now equal to, I will now take this, the other side, 5 over 4 plus 9 over 10 squared. Now 9 squared, that is 81, 10 squared, that is 100. And now upon simplifying this as a single fraction, you must be able to get 161 over 100. I think that is a very simple math. Now from here now, I'm going to introduce square roots both sides, the square root of this, and then the square root of this term that I'm going to have there. Basically, don't forget to say positive or negative, and this is what I've done. Then from here now, I'll get this term, and then I'll take it on the other side. Or basically, in fact, that is not a mathematical language of saying you cross it over to the other side of the equal sign. No, but the mathematical language is that you introduce the additive inverse of negative 9 over 10, and then you add it both sides. So basically, you are going to have this version because you have 9 plus 9 over 10 adding to the square root of 161 over 10, and this is what we have. Then from there now we express this one as a single fraction. You see that the common denominator is the same, so we just basically have 9 plus or minus the square root of 161 over 10. And then you notice that this is actually what we are looking for, 9 plus or minus the square root of 161 over 10. Hence the proof. So please, Practice through and double check, look for more questions that you can try, and then you solve them. If you are not clear, you can still ask me. This is what we do. Completing square method. Very good formula.